So Acer has just launched its latest super serious gaming desktop rig, the Predator Orion 7000, a power-packed PC with restrained design but plenty of flair and some serious grunt, as well as room to expand when needed. This beefy box will cost you around $3.5 grand when it goes on sale, probably the start of 2022. And here's a quick squint at the specs, the features, and all of the usual RGB shenanigans. And for more on the latest greatest tech, please do subscribe and ding that notifications bell. Cheers! So yeah, Acer's design here is a little bit more subtle compared with previous Orion boxes. Acer has gone for a sleek and simple finish for the chassis rather than an angular case with carry handles and all kinds of random flair. That said though, this is obviously a gaming PC sporting two frickin' enormous 140mm Frostblade fans up front with obligatory RGB lighting of course, plus another 120mm effort on the arse end. And one side of the Predator Orion 7000 is tempered glass as usual, so you can peer inside and check that no one's nicked all of those lovely expensive components. It is a bit dark in there though, with only a couple of teeny light sources to illuminate all of the gorgeous tech. That glass panel does slip off easily so you can get inside and make changes when needed, with spare PCIe 5 ports so you can upgrade well into the future. You shouldn't need to boost this thing anytime soon though, especially if you grab the top end model with an RTX 3090 GPU proudly sat there on display. And this is given plenty of room to breathe inside of the case, so hopefully it won't overheat. You've also got 12th gen Intel Smarts packed in there with some liquid CPU coolant, and that's backed by up to 64 gigs of DDR5-4000 RAM. Storage is sorted with dual PCIe 4.0 NVMIe SSDs, that's a bit of a bloody mouthful, giving up to 2TB of storage, plus a pair of SATA 3 hard drives up to 3 gigs each. Where you've also got a fast access 2.5-inch hot swap drive up top, which you can whip out and take with you when needed. And no worries at all if you want to hook up loads of displays and peripherals. This thing is loaded with ports, including shag tons of USBs up top and around back, plus dual DisplayPort and HDMI connections, and a bit of Intel Killer 2.5G LAN action. Those fans sure do get pretty noisy when you crank them all the way up to the maximum levels, and as usual of course the Orion 7000 can automatically speed them up if the box is starting to get a bit toasty. Well, you do have the usual manual controls over your components using Acer's Predator Sense app, including tweaking the fans. You can overclock the CPU and the GPU, and you've also of course got full control over that RGB light show. So that is the Acer Predator Orion 7000. Definitely a bit of a beefcake. Acer reckons it'll start to go on sale from early 2022, and obviously it'll probably be in quite limited supply based on component shortages and all that usual fun stuff. So you might want to get in there pretty quick if you are interested. So let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. Please do subscribe and ding that notifications bell for more on the latest and greatest tech, and have yourselves a fantastic rest of the week. Cheers everyone, love you!